With care and precision, workers rotate the herd to ensure every cow receives timely milking in this continuous daily cycle. Thousands of liters of nutrient-rich milk are gently collected and cooled in stainless bulk tanks to preserve freshness right from the start. Once cooled and tested, the fresh milk is carefully transferred through heavy hoses into insulated tanker trucks for its journey to the processing facility. Hygiene is maintained at every step as workers thoroughly sanitize the entire parlor to guarantee the highest standards of milk quality. Advanced cooling systems quickly bring the milk down to optimal temperature, locking in its natural freshness and safety. Strict quality samples are drawn and prepared for immediate laboratory testing to ensure every batch meets rigorous safety standards. Once sampling clears, the tanker is loaded with thousands of liters of fresh, chilled milk ready for transport. The loaded tanker departs the farm, carrying pure raw milk on its short journey to the modern processing facility. Traveling efficiently from farm to factory, the tanker delivers fresh milk within hours to begin its transformation into safe, packaged dairy milk. Having traveled efficiently from the dairy farm, the loaded tanker now arrives at the modern processing facility, where its precious cargo will undergo further transformation. At the reception bay, skilled workers precisely position the tanker and prepare secure connections to begin the gentle unloading of raw milk. Thousands of liters of fresh, chilled raw milk are carefully pumped from the tanker into the facility's reception system for immediate quality verification. Upon arrival, rigorous quality tests are performed on the raw milk to ensure it meets strict safety and freshness standards before storage. Once approved, the raw milk is transferred into large refrigerated silos where it waits briefly under controlled conditions inside the facility. In the temperature-controlled silos, the raw milk is held and continuously monitored to preserve its quality until processing begins. Before further processing, the milk passes through fine filtration systems to ensure complete purity and remove any microscopic impurities. The purified raw milk now moves efficiently through the facility toward the separation stage, where cream will be gently divided from the milk. Using powerful centrifugal force, the separator divides the raw milk into cream and skim portions for precise standardization of fat content. Through careful standardization, the exact fat content is adjusted so that every carton of dairy milk delivers consistent taste and nutrition. Nestled in an industrial zone, this modern dairy facility stands ready to transform fresh raw milk into safe, high-quality packaged dairy products for consumers worldwide. Trained workers arrive for their shift and follow strict hygiene protocols before entering the controlled environment of the milk processing plant. Strict multi-stage hygiene procedures ensure that only the cleanest conditions are maintained as personnel enter the heart of the dairy operation. Inside the facility, a clean and highly organized production floor awaits where raw milk will be transformed through multiple precise stages. From elevated walkways, supervisors and operators gain a clear overview of every stage in the dairy milk production process.
Okay, check the screens. Line generosity grinder.
Before starting duties, workers receive quick safety and hygiene updates to maintain the highest standards throughout the shift. Now fully inside the production area, the team prepares to oversee the critical transformation stages of the incoming raw milk. The facility's advanced pasteurization systems stand ready to heat-treat the milk, eliminating harmful bacteria while preserving its nutritional value. With entry protocols complete, the focus now shifts to the core processing stages where raw milk truly begins its journey into finished dairy milk. After initial transport and entry checks, the milk now enters the critical cleaning phase where any remaining fine particles are carefully removed. Powerful centrifugal clarifiers gently spin the milk to remove any remaining impurities, ensuring crystal clear quality before further processing. Multiple stages of fine filtration further polish the milk, removing even the tiniest particles to achieve perfect clarity and purity. Here, the fat content is precisely standardized once again, so that every batch of dairy milk maintains consistent creaminess and nutritional balance. Before final heat treatment, the milk is prepared for homogenization to ensure the fat remains evenly distributed throughout the product. High-pressure homogenization breaks down fat particles so the milk stays smooth, creamy, and stable with no separation over time. Rapid cooling after homogenization locks in the milk's fresh taste and extends its shelf life before final processing. A final ultrafine filtration stage guarantees that the milk is exceptionally clean and ready for safe packaging and distribution. The perfectly prepared milk is now held in sanitized tanks under strict temperature control until it moves to the packaging department. With initial cleaning, standardization, and homogenization complete, the milk is now perfectly prepared for high-speed packaging into consumer-ready products. In the core processing stage, the milk receives its final high-temperature pasteurization to eliminate any remaining bacteria while preserving natural taste and nutrients. Rapid regenerative cooling immediately follows pasteurization, locking in freshness and preparing the milk for safe storage and packaging. The pasteurized milk is held in a carefully balanced aseptic tank to ensure constant, smooth supply to the packaging lines ahead. Continuous real-time monitoring ensures only perfectly processed milk proceeds, with any off-spec product automatically diverted for safety.
Confirmed. Primary off-spec flow.
All pipelines and equipment undergo rigorous sterilization to maintain absolute hygiene before the milk reaches the filling machines. The core processing is now complete, and the pure milk enters the high-speed packaging hall where it will be filled into consumer containers. Packaging materials are automatically prepared and sterilized so that every container meets the highest hygiene standards before filling. High-speed filling machines accurately dispense the perfect amount of fresh pasteurized milk into each carton and bottle with precision. Secure sealing and capping ensure the milk remains fresh and protected from air and contaminants after filling. With core processing and filling complete, the packaged dairy milk now moves into the precision finishing and quality assurance stages. In the main transformation stage, precise labeling and date coding transform the filled containers into fully identified, traceable, consumer-ready dairy milk products. Automated inspection systems rigorously check weight, seal integrity, and label accuracy to guarantee every package meets strict quality standards. Efficient grouping and automated case packing organize the individual packages into secure, easy-to-handle shipping cases for distribution. Robust sealing and strapping ensure the cases remain intact and protected during handling and transportation to warehouses and stores. Advanced robotic palletizers carefully stack the cases into stable, uniform pallets ready for efficient storage and shipping. Automatic stretch wrapping securely binds each pallet, protecting the dairy milk cases from shifting and environmental exposure during storage. Each completed pallet is accurately labeled and tracked so it can be efficiently located and dispatched throughout the supply chain. Finished pallets of packaged dairy milk are smoothly transferred from the production floor into the controlled warehouse environment for temporary storage. In the modern warehouse, pallets are systematically stored under optimal conditions until they are ready for dispatch to retailers. With main transformation and packaging complete, the finished dairy milk pallets now move to the dispatch area for final loading and delivery. Sophisticated automated retrieval systems efficiently select and transport finished pallets from storage to meet exact customer orders with precision. Advanced conveyor networks seamlessly integrate warehouse storage with loading operations, ensuring smooth and continuous flow of finished goods. High-tech loading systems gently and efficiently place complete pallets into refrigerated trucks, minimizing manual handling and maximizing speed. Once loaded, pallets are carefully secured inside temperature-controlled trailers to protect the dairy milk during road transport.
Straps are tight, we're secure.
Comprehensive scanning and verification systems ensure every pallet and truckload is accurately recorded before leaving the facility. Once loaded, pallets are carefully secured inside temperature-controlled trailers to protect the dairy milk during road transport.
Straps are tight, locks are set, we're secure.
Completed orders of fresh dairy milk depart the facility in refrigerated trucks, beginning their journey to supermarkets and consumers. From raw milk arrival to finished product dispatch, this integrated facility demonstrates the power of modern automation in dairy production. High-tech warehouse automation maintains perfect conditions and traceability for thousands of pallets of finished dairy milk. Every stage is precisely controlled by advanced automation, ensuring consistent quality from farm to final packaged product. And this is how modern factories produce dairy milk from start to finish.